Welcome guys to day 2 of the HackerRank 30 Days of Code Challenge. So today we are going to learn about operators, but in my opinion we are actually going to learn about function because the concept of operators doesn't take too much to understand. So the task we have to perform is we have to complete a function. So actually we have to calculate the cost of a meal, the total cost of a meal, and we are given the base price of the meal, the tip percent and the tax percent. So let me just tell you quickly about the concept of a function. So in the main function, we we declare a function called solve, and these are the arguments that are passed on to the function, and these arguments are worked upon that function. So meal cost corresponds to the meal cost parameter which is declared in the actual function, and tip percent corresponds to the integer tip percent, that is the parameter here, and so on and so forth. So this is the function definition. So the syntax of the function definition is whatever data type that you want the function to return is returned before the name of the function. So the name of the function here is solve, and void is the data type that the function returns. So void means nothingness, right? So it will return nothing. But if I wanted the function to return an integer, then I would have written here int, and then to return an integer value. So let me first uh, declare an integer variable called sum, and if I want to return that uh, the value of sum, then I'll write return sum. So this is a function that returns something, that returns the value of the int, and if I want to return a double value, then I'll write here double instead of int, and so on and so forth. So these are the parameters in bracket. So double meal cost, tip percent and tax percent are the parameters, and these parameters are worked upon in the function. Okay, now let's proceed with the challenge. So we have to complete this function. Let me first declare a double variable called sum. Now sum is equal to the base price of the meal, which is meal cost, plus the tip, which is tip percent, into meal cost by 100. I'm assuming that you guys know math, so I don't have to explain how do we calculate the percentage and all. And then we have to add the tax, which is tax percent into meal cost by 100. So we have used the operators plus, equal to, and multiply here. So I don't think that it needs much explaining. Now the value of the sum can also be double, so it can also be in decimal because the base price of the meal can be a double. So but they have asked us to return an integer value, the nearest integer value to the total cost. So the function that is used to return the nearest integer value is round. So sum is equal to round of sum. Okay, and now we just have to print the value of sum. So cout sum. So I think we have completed this function and we don't need to do anything else. Let me run this code and check if it works. So sample test case 0 and 1 are passed. Alright, the code is working and we have successfully completed this challenge. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.